Every home chef deserves a knife set that makes prep work faster, safer, and more enjoyable. The best knife set for home chef kitchens combines razor-sharp performance, durability, and versatility to handle everything from slicing vegetables to carving meats with confidence. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Ninja NeverDull Knife Set. The Ninja NeverDull Knife Set is a comprehensive 17-piece kitchen collection designed for home cooks who want convenience, durability, and consistent cutting performance. Crafted from premium German stainless steel, the blades offer excellent resistance to rust and corrosion while maintaining sharpness through everyday kitchen tasks. Whether you're slicing vegetables, trimming meat, or cutting through crusty bread, the razor-sharp edge and optimized blade angle help deliver smooth and precise cuts with minimal effort. One of the most impressive features of this set is the integrated NeverDull sharpening system built directly into the knife block. Unlike traditional knife sets that require separate sharpening tools, this system allows users to restore blade sharpness by simply operating a lever on the side of the block. This makes maintenance incredibly easy, even for beginners. The ergonomic handles are well-balanced and comfortable to hold, reducing hand fatigue. During long food preparation sessions, the set also includes 8 premium steak knives that perform exceptionally well when cutting cooked meats, making it ideal for family dinners and entertaining guests. The sleek knife block features brushed stainless steel accents that give it a modern and professional appearance, allowing it to blend seamlessly into most kitchen styles. Storage is organized and secure, keeping every knife within easy reach. While professional chef...
Number 2. Wüsthof Gourmet Knife Set. The Wüsthof Gourmet Knife Set represents the quality and craftsmanship that have made Wüsthof one of the most respected names in cutlery. Manufactured in Solingen, Germany, this set reflects more than 2 centuries of knife-making expertise. The collection includes essential kitchen tools such as a chef's knife, bread knife, utility knife, paring knife, steak knives, kitchen shears, a honing steel, and a natural wood storage block. Each blade is precisely laser cut from high-carbon stainless steel, delivering exceptional sharpness and dependable cutting performance. The knives excel in everyday food preparation, allowing users to chop vegetables, slice meats, and prepare ingredients with confidence. The synthetic polypropylene handles are durable and resistant to heat, discoloration, and impact, ensuring long-term reliability even in busy kitchens. One of the strongest advantages of this set is its balance between professional quality and ease of use. The blades maintain their edge well and resist corrosion, while the included honing steel helps preserve performance over time. Unlike many lower-cost knife sets, Wüsthof focuses heavily on precision manufacturing and quality control, resulting in consistent blade geometry and excellent cutting accuracy. The natural wood block provides organized storage and enhances the set's classic appearance. Although the Gourmet line uses stamped rather than forged blades, it still delivers impressive performance.
Number 3. KnifeSaga Carbon Knife Set. The KnifeSaga Carbon Knife Set is designed for users who prioritize sharpness, control, and modern blade technology. Built from next-generation high-carbon steel, these knives are engineered to provide a strong balance between hardness, toughness, and corrosion resistance. One of the standout features is the exceptionally sharp 10-degree blade edge, which the manufacturer claims delivers significantly greater cutting performance compared to standard kitchen knives. In practical use, the knives glide smoothly through vegetables, fruits, meats, and herbs with remarkable precision, reducing effort and improving cutting accuracy. The full tang construction enhances durability while providing excellent balance throughout the knife. This design contributes to greater control, especially during detailed cutting tasks that require stability and confidence. The ergonomic handles are shaped to fit naturally in the hand and help reduce fatigue during extended meal preparation. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced home chef, the comfortable grip makes prolonged use much more enjoyable. Another appealing aspect is the brand's focus on customer confidence, offering both a generous return policy and a lifetime warranty. This level of support demonstrates faith in the product's durability and performance. The included knife block keeps the collection organized while adding a premium touch to kitchen countertops.
The set is marketed as capable of handling nearly every cutting task encountered in a home kitchen, making it highly versatile for daily use. While the brand may not yet have the long-standing reputation of some established knife manufacturers, the specifications and overall performance are impressive.
Number 4. Imarku Tang Knife Set. The Imarku Tang Knife Set successfully combines attractive design, sharp cutting performance, and user-friendly maintenance into a complete kitchen package. Each blade is hand-sharpened to a precise 15-degree angle per side, creating an edge that easily handles a wide range of kitchen tasks. From slicing vegetables and fruits to carving meats and cutting bread, the knives deliver clean, efficient cuts with minimal resistance. The mirror-polished finish enhances the visual appeal of the set, giving it a refined and premium appearance that stands out on any countertop. Beyond aesthetics, the knives are built for durability through repeated forging and low-temperature quenching processes.
Maintain sharp blades without purchasing separate sharpening equipment or learning advanced sharpening techniques. The process is simple enough for beginners, yet effective enough to keep the knives performing consistently. The 14-piece collection includes the most commonly used kitchen knives, steak knives, kitchen shears, and a solid wood block with ventilation slots that promote airflow and reduce moisture buildup. This thoughtful storage design helps protect the knives while keeping the kitchen organized.
Number 5. Yatoshi Ergonomic Knife Set. The Yatoshi Ergonomic Knife Set is an attractive and versatile collection that focuses on comfort, durability, and cutting performance. Constructed from premium 7CR17 high-carbon stainless steel, the blades provide impressive sharpness and strength for a wide variety of kitchen tasks. The steel composition contributes to excellent edge retention while maintaining sufficient toughness for everyday use. Each blade features a decorative waved pattern that enhances its appearance and gives the set a more premium look than many similarly priced competitors. The ergonomic pocket wood handles are one of the standout features of this collection. They offer a comfortable grip and excellent balance between the handle and blade, helping users maintain control during precise cutting tasks. The sloped bolster design encourages a secure pinch grip and allows better access to the full cutting edge, improving both comfort and efficiency. The set includes a broad selection of knives, ranging from chef and bread knives to santoku, utility, paring, slicing, and steak knives. This variety makes the collection suitable for nearly every kitchen preparation task. The included pull-apart kitchen scissors add further versatility for household use. Storage is handled by a sturdy acacia wood block, featuring deep slots that protect the blades from unnecessary contact and damage. Non-slip rubber feet on the base improve stability and safety on countertops. The combination of quality materials and thoughtful design makes the set appealing to both beginners